What you are about to see takes place many times each day across the TWA system. Layover aircraft cleaning. The intent of this video is to share with you some basic techniques of layover cleaning and hopefully make your job easier. Having the proper equipment and supplies is a big key to aircraft cleaning. Crews should go to the aircraft equipped to handle any cleaning situation. Cleaning supplies should include buckets and spray bottles filled with properly mixed TWA authorized cleaning solution, sponges, scrubbing pads, brushes, towels, window cleaner, oven cleaner, gum remover, rubber gloves, vacuum, and the required aircraft provisioning supplies. Buckets should be labeled and used only for specified areas: lavatories, Johnny brushes, and galleys. The use of rubber gloves for aircraft cleaning is recommended as they protect you not only from what you are cleaning, but also from the industrial cleaning solutions you are using. Let's start in the lavatory. Always begin at the top and work your way down. When the mirrors, walls, and sink are completed, it's time to provision with the required supplies. Next comes the trash area. The container is to be emptied, thoroughly cleaned, and a new poly liner installed. Then the commode is cleaned, including the funnel using the Johnny brush. Finally, the lavatory floor is cleaned. Using the different tools available, all areas of the galley are to be thoroughly cleaned regardless of whether they appear dirty or not. Keep in mind these are food areas and the cleaner you are using is also a disinfectant and deodorizer. Special attention should be given to trash areas where spillage takes place. Proper cleaning also helps prevent the infestation of roaches and other insects. Again, cleaning should begin at the top, working your way down from the ovens and countertops to the under galley areas and finally the floor. Here we find another team member cleaning the area around the passenger boarding door. Since this is the customer's first look at our aircraft, we want his first impression to be favorable. He then moves to the flight attendant jump seat area. This area should be checked for marks on the bulkheads. The flight attendant panel is also to be cleaned as part of the layover bill of work. Notice how the cleaning solution is sprayed onto the towel, not directly onto the PA handset. This avoids the possibility of damaging the unit. Moving into the cabin area, let's start with the overhead compartments. Every blanket is to be inspected for condition and cleanliness. Dirty blankets are to be removed. Each pillow and pillowcase is to be inspected and soiled pillowcases replaced. The pillows and blankets are to be counted and the complement brought up to the proper level for each type of aircraft. Pillows and blankets are to be stowed in their assigned areas. All debris is to be removed from the overhead compartments. Cleaning and provisioning of the seats encompasses several chores. First, all trash should be removed from the seat pockets, seats, and floor. Seat pocket materials are to be inspected and all missing or unserviceable items replaced. Note: every safety instruction card in the seat pockets must match the sample safety instruction card on the inside of the cockpit door. There are no exceptions to this requirement. Seats are to be brushed and the seat belts neatly aligned. Drop-down tables are to be cleaned and thoroughly dried. Armrests, surrounding bulkhead areas, and PSUs are to be checked for marks and spills. Stained and soiled fabric should be replaced as required. Using the approved gum removing agent, gum is to be removed from the carpet prior to vacuuming. Periodic servicing of the vacuum with new bags and filters make vacuuming much easier and obtains better results. Practice makes perfect in keeping the head at the proper angle to do the best job. Overhead bin doors, chrome panels, and other noticeable cabin appearance areas must be checked and any marks and smudges removed. Since aircraft windows are made of a plexiglass material that easily scratches, they are cleaned separately using only TWA-approved window cleaner and towels. Well, we're finished. Our lead is checking to see if we've done everything correctly. Note that the best check of the cabin can be accomplished by working from the rear of the aircraft forward. As you can see, this cleaning team has taken care and pride in their assignment. They came to this aircraft equipped with the proper tools to meet every requirement, and the result shows. They have produced a clean, properly provisioned, sharp-appearing aircraft cabin that will provide a pleasant traveling atmosphere for our customers. And that's what our business is all about.